This is your Monday afternoon weather webcast update. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa. Some breaks in the overcast in central and southern areas and maybe a few occasional flurries this afternoon. The farther north you go, still some light snow going on all the way through the afternoon this evening and continuing into tomorrow morning. And that could lead to a few additional inches of accumulation, especially up in terrain. A lot of what we're seeing back out to our west, the effects of the lake effect going on out in that direction. And we will continue to see that gradually wind down over the next 36 hours. While around here, we will have fair skies in central and southern areas. Again, we can't rule out a few more flurries this afternoon with the occasional overcast, but all in all, a much drier scenario than what we were seeing play out last night and very early this morning. While up north, we continue on with the scattered areas of light snow and snow showers. Everyone's in on that westerly wind, which has been gusting over 20 to 25 miles an hour and will remain quite healthy tonight and through a good portion of the day tomorrow, adding that extra bite to the air. High temperatures 30s to lower 40s, obviously feeling much colder than that with that wind out there. Snow finally starts to die off quite a bit later on tomorrow evening, and that eventually sets up the nicest day of the week, which is going to be the busy travel day on Wednesday. From there, a gradual increase in clouds later on Wednesday night. We'll be ahead of the first of two weaker systems. Not a lot of moisture involved, but temperatures right around the all-important freezing mark could mean a few areas of light snow or a few areas of light rain Thursday, and then possibly again later Friday night and into Saturday. Colder air, certainly the big story. For now, it is with the wind, but we're talking highs in the 30s to lower range of the 40s pretty much going forward until further notice. A couple of additional inches of accumulation up in the higher terrain, up in the Great North Woods this afternoon, and maybe an additional inch or two tonight and tomorrow with some more scattered areas of lighter snow. From there, we're back to the sunshine Wednesday, and as I mentioned, a couple of other weaker systems. Could be a little bit of light snow for a few hours at times on Thanksgiving, and could be a couple of other systems that we're going to be contending with later Friday and into Saturday. But you'll notice the temperatures 30s to lower 40s going forward.